Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on Facebook. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you can see Facebook here on your iPhone or Android or a computer will all be available, but you first need to make sure you update it. So let's open up the App Store or Google Play Store, and we're just going to type in Facebook. Now on here, if it says the ability to update it, make sure you tap update to get the latest version of Facebook. After you've done that, let's just open up the app here, and you'll notice that Meta AI has its little symbol in the search icon at the top right. So tap on it here, and it says ask Meta AI anything. So the really cool thing is it gives you a bunch of different prompts. So let's say videos of cute pugs. And it'll open up this little chat message. It says messages are generated by AI. And basically it will help you with whatever you want. So let's type in again, videos of cute pugs and hit go. Oh, there we go. So I can tap on it, and it'll bring me to a reel that is basically just what I looked for. And then, of course, I can say photos of, let's say, golden retrievers and hit go. And it will show me photos of golden retrievers. You'll be able to know whatever is user basically created within the Facebook account or AI created, because AI photos, you'll see at the bottom left, have this little imagined with AI. So you'll know that that was created by AI, but of course all of these videos, these are reels that were just created basically by users, and it just finds them within the Facebook account. And then on here, you can share any of these photos or videos. Of course, you can ask it questions like, what's the weather like today? And it will go through and basically answer you like your own personal assistant. So it says share your location and city. So I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina. And then it'll come up with the weather report for Raleigh, North Carolina. So just hit yes here, and it'll go through the process of saying, all right, today's temperatures, tomorrow, and it'll give you the forecast for the weekend. So the nice thing is this is built in to all of the Meta products. So Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, all of them have Meta AI. And the best part about it, it is completely free to use no matter what within all of these Meta apps. So you can keep using it as much as you want and ask it as many questions as you want, similar to ChatGPT. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.